Hey parents, is bedtime a nightly battlefield in your house? Does your little one turn into a wide-awake warrior just as you're ready to hit the hay? You're not alone. Getting kids to fall asleep and stay asleep can be a real struggle, but fear not, weary warriors. Today, we're armed with 10 powerful tips to help your little ones drift off to dreamland peacefully. Tip 1. Craft a calming countdown. Routine is key. Create a relaxing bedtime ritual that signals to your child's body it's time to wind down. A warm bath, quiet reading, or gentle music can work wonders. Try sticking to the same routine every night, even on weekends, for maximum sleep-inducing effect. Tip 2. Tame the tech demons. Those glowing screens are the enemy of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Nix screen time at least an hour before bedtime. Swap tablets for lullabies and phones for picture books. The blue light emitted from electronics can trick your child's brain into thinking it's daytime, making it harder to fall asleep. Tip 3. Dim the lights, let the darkness take flight. Create a sleep haven. Make sure your child's room is dark, cool, and quiet. Blackout curtains, a nightlight, and a white noise machine can be your allies. Darkness triggers the production of melatonin, while a cool temperature promotes deeper sleep. Tip 4. Tire them out, but not too late. Physical activity is great, but avoid high-energy games close to bedtime. A calm walk or some gentle stretches are perfect pre-sleep activities. But remember, avoid vigorous exercise within 2 hours of bedtime, as it can be too stimulating. Tip 5. Banish the bedroom boogeyman. Address night terrors and anxieties head-on. Talk to your child about their fears and offer comfort and reassurance. A special stuffed animal or a calming bedtime story can be soothing companions. Let them know you're there for them and that their room is a safe and cozy space. Tip 6. Feed sleep, not sugar. Avoid sugary snacks and heavy meals before bed. A light, healthy snack like yogurt with fruit or whole wheat crackers with cheese can be a good choice. Sugary treats can give your child an energy boost, just when they should be winding down. Tip 7. Power down the potions. Caffeine and chocolate can linger in the system for hours, making it harder to fall asleep. Limit these stimulants, especially in the afternoon and evening. Opt for calming herbal teas or warm milk instead. Tip 8. Don't sweat the small stuff or nightmares. Stay calm and consistent, even if your child has a bad night. Don't give in to demands or make bedtime a battleground. A gentle but firm approach is best. Remember, consistency is key, and occasional setbacks are normal. Tip 9. Seek help if needed. If sleep problems persist, don't hesitate to consult your pediatrician. They can rule out any underlying medical conditions and offer additional guidance. Sometimes, underlying medical issues like sleep apnea or ADHD can affect sleep. Tip 10. Sweet dreams are contagious. Remember, parents, your own bedtime routine matters too. Prioritize your sleep hygiene. When you're well rested, you're better equipped to handle bedtime battles. So, put on your PJs, grab a good book, and set the stage for a peaceful night's sleep for the whole family. Thanks for joining me on this quest for bedtime bliss. I hope these tips help your little ones drift off to dreamland faster and easier. Remember, patience, consistency, and a sprinkle of love are the ultimate sleep-inducing ingredients. Sweet dreams, everyone.